Hello, welcome to UServe 2018. The School of Architecture, CUCD, and the Center for Computational Sciences will be offering one day of community service to the City of Miami Beach on Friday, April 13th, 2018. Faculty, staff, and students will participate in an effort to update the city's property database by conducting sidewalk surveys of the Flamingo Park Historic District. We're going to be using an app called Collector, and this is essentially a tutorial for how to use that app. Tim Norris from the CCS will be guiding us through two versions, one for Android phones and another for iOS Apple phones. Thanks.
On an Android device, once you've downloaded and installed the Collector app from the Google Play Store, open the app and sign in. Don't change the URL for arcgis.com, leave that as is and just say continue. Once you get to the login screen, enter your login. Once you've logged in, you will see the maps that belong to the group that you are part of. For this UServe project this year, you're going to be using the UServe 2018 South Beach Collector map. So simply click on that and it will open the map for you. Once the map opens, it will take you to wherever you happen to be. As you can see, I'm in the School of Architecture and I'm going to need to zoom over to South Beach. When you're in the field, it will likely take you somewhere near to here automatically. Once you've found a building that you want to edit, you simply click on the building to select it. You'll notice at the bottom there's a small pop-up that says name next to it. Sometimes there will be a name there. To see the attributes for this building, click on the red square and you'll see a list of attributes for this particular building. If you want to actually edit those attributes, you have to click on the little arrow at the bottom right, the little triangle, to get a menu, and you say edit this feature. And here, I'm not only looking at the attributes, but I can edit every single one of them. For example, I can edit the comments field simply by changing the comment in line. I could change the foundation type by clicking on it, and notice that some of these fields, you have only certain things that you can choose. And you can edit any one of these here and say this is 1 foot off the ground. Once you're done editing the fields, you can add a picture by clicking on the attachment icon. This is the paperclip with the plus. You say add attachment from the camera, and I'm going to take a picture here of the old gallery. I'm going to say, yeah, that picture's okay. And now we have a picture that I just added to this record. Once you're done editing everything for this particular building, you simply click the check in the upper left, and it will send all the information you just entered to the Collector app. Once it's sent everything, you can move on to the next building and continue the process. Click on the next building and go ahead and edit its features. We hope you enjoy your day with UServe, and if you have any questions, there's plenty of documentation online, or you can feel free to email one of us before the actual day.